Hey y'all, it's Chef J Shim. Whoa. Hey y'all, it is Chef J LeAnn today, and with my natural hair. Hold on. Hey guys, it is Chef J LeAnn today, rocking my natural hair, but maybe not my natural eyebrows. And y'all, today I have another unboxing today. So I got this cool chef coat in the mail, and this is honestly the first coat that I've ever bought on my own. I've had all my old coats but that were given, but now I bought my own and it's official. I wanted to show you guys that, and I have another cool some more little things that I got today, chef wise, that were a surprise or whatever. So I wanted to show that to y'all. So I'm gonna set this camera up so that way you can see the chef coat when I put it on. Alright, so I will be right back. Alright, so I don't know why this thing won't stand up where you can see me fully, so you're probably just gonna see the top part and maybe my lips, but I think that's good enough for you to see my chef coat. Never seen it, never touched it, never felt it, never looked at it, nothing. Yeah, so here we go. Ooh, that's my receipt. Y'all can't see that. So far, boom, right? Now, like I said, I have a special embroidery on here, and I need to make sure it look good, or else if it don't look good, I'm deleting this video and I'm getting my money back. Look at that. Wow, look at that. It got my name on there. My name is on there, right on the titty. Not only is it that type of coat, but it also has these little ties in the back right here. So that way, cause some of y'all might know, with chef coats and stuff like that, if they be a little loose, sometimes that can be a little uncomfortable. So I was looking at that because I was like, that's dope. And it is double-breasted. It is a double-breasted jacket, and in case you don't know what double-breasted, the difference between double-breasted, single-breasted, basically it's just it closes on one side. There's no buttons over here, and it kind of leaves it where there's only one side. See, if you get the double-breasted one, and it has the other set of buttons, you can basically unbutton the one whole side and then change the flaps and button it on this side. So it's really good if let's say you're doing a presentation or something like that, and before you go and cook the food, let's say you might get a barbecue sauce stain on this breastplate. You can in this area, so you can go and reverse your stuff and hide it real quick, just in case you got somebody looking at your stuff for presentation. Y'all, I'm sorry, I don't really know how to use edge control, so if it's a little funky, who cares? That's the advantage of having double-breasted. It kind of saves you a lot of time, and it's good if you need to just swap breastises real quick. And you can basically have a brand new coat just by switching which side you button it up on. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and this has deep pockets on it, deep front pockets right here. It also has the side pockets right here. Ooh, and these are specifically designed. They're specifically designed for having your pen and your thermometer and all that other stuff in these two slots right here. Oh, and it's short sleeved. I like mine short sleeved because I'm just gonna roll up my long sleeves anyway, so I just was I'm gonna try what a short sleeve looks like, because I don't really plan on being on the line as much. If I need to, I really plan on using it for like expedite plating and all that other stuff, so I don't really care about sleeve length. And plus, I'm pretty careful. I was gonna say I'm pretty careful in the ring. I've been watching too many wrestling videos. I'm a wrestling fan. I've been watching too many wrestling videos. I was gonna say I'd be very careful in the ring. I mean, I'm very careful in the kitchen. So I'm just unbuttoning it right now, but I'm gonna try it on, see what it looks like on my body. Oh, and they give you extra protection. Cause I almost yanked this boy out. So you see that right there? Oh, and they got it in this side too. So like, it looks like to make sure that it stays intact up here, they give you another button that kind of goes in like this, and you have to push it out the opposite direction, which is dope because all my other chef coats, like, you could button them up to the top, and then like, especially if you like big chested like me, you got big titties and stuff, it go, if you got big titties and everything, it's like difficult to keep this part intact. So that's why I'm gonna try it on and see how it fits. Because if it don't fit right, I'm deleting this video and I'm getting my money back. Ooh. Alright, so far so good. This is the moment of truth. Because like I said, I have a big chest. So let's get this. Oh my gosh. Bro, what did this receipt say about return? Cause I probably just need on a different bra, cause I got on a kind of bigger one so that I can be comfortable. My boobs can breathe, but like, it's getting in the way of buttoning this jacket. Like, it fit fine. Like, it don't fit poorly on my stomach or nothing. It's just up here. Okay. Bro, come on. Let's go. Yes. Ooh. Ooh. And boom. 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 But you see that though? It's really just up here because my stomach is loose, my arms is fine. That's one reason why, you know, if you big chested, it's like, but I didn't want to order because they only, like, this is an extra large and it fits fine everywhere else. It's just, I think it's just the bra that I put on today, because sometimes that used to be the problem with my chef coats before. It was never really the rest of my body, it was always my chest. But I can't like go and get an oversized coat, because then if I go and get an oversized coat, my whole body is gonna be, you know, if I go and get an oversized coat, then it's just gonna be ginormous. That would be extra hot. Like, I got hot trying to buckle that around my titties. Like, I just say that I'm not gonna take it back, so I'm gonna keep this video up. I'm not gonna take it back, but I just say I probably have to put on a different type of bra. Maybe I have to wear like a sports bra with this one, because wearing these ones with like the cushion and all that extra support up here is probably what's causing it to be extra tight. Because I remember when I had my old chef coats, that used to be a problem too. So that was my chef coat. So now I'm going to show you the other thing that I got. So now I'm about to do the next part. And so I thought that these were so cute. I just wanted to throw this in here. But look at this little, it's basically a 3-piece barbecue set. And it includes a kitchen towel and 2 oven mitts. I just thought that this was so cute. And it says, well done, medium rare moo. These were really, really cute. I thought that they were cute because it said moo. We already know that's how some of y'all eat it. I don't know. We already know some of y'all eat well done. I don't understand that because you're not really getting no flavor with well done. You're just really just getting a lump of unjuicified meat. I honestly like mine medium well, medium rare. It's one of those two. I don't really care for rare or moo. Moo, just in case y'all know, is blue actually. I think that's why I thought it was funny. Cause blue is like, that boy ain't even touched the grill. Like, it might get on the grill for like 2 seconds. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, share, do something. Thank you once again for like the 40th time, and I hope that you enjoyed. Yeah, so thank you. Peace out.